In 1938, the Kirk family chose these 5 acres along the Courtenay River to build their family home. Over time, the beautiful house and well-tended gardens became the focal point for many community events. By 1973, the home turned into a popular entertaining spot and soon became known as the Old House Restaurant. Today, the Old House Restaurant site has been expanded to include a luxury boutique hotel and a world-class spa, drawing in visitors from around the world. Courtenay is part of the Tri-City area of the Comox Valley. Nestled between the Beaufort mountain range and protected waters of the Strait of Georgia, the valley offers the quintessential Vancouver Island escape. It's all here: old-growth forests, sandy beaches, pristine rivers, and cascading waterfalls. And it's here in the valley that we discovered the Old House Village and Spa. "79 luxurious suites with views of the Courtenay River, this Courtenay accommodation offers a wide variety of rejuvenating stay and spa packages to fit a range of budgets. The surrounding area offers a great variety of activities for family, friends, or couples. Take the kids down to the beach for the day, fish for trout or salmon in nearby lakes, or get in a kayak and explore the valley along the Courtenay River. It's all steps away from your stay at the Old House Village Hotel and Spa. After a few busy days out and about, guests often take advantage of the O Spa, a sanctuary created for relaxation and well-being. Here they provide tailored massage packages for golfers, runners, skiers, or expecting couples. We took a quick look into the Pure Indulgence package for 2, where you and your significant other can stay a night in the penthouse suite, enjoy dinner for 2, and a luxurious hydrotherapy tub and hour massage. In addition to the many local attractions in the area, including festivals, art exhibits, and sporting events, a great reason to vacation in Courtenay is its accessibility from the Lower Mainland. Just a few hours by BC Ferry or a quick 20-minute flight by a scheduled commercial float plane. Whether you get here by sky or sea, you will never run out of things to do in the bounty of the valley. Courtenay is a terrific and accessible weekend getaway escape on Vancouver Island.